CBSE, Grade 6, Chapter 6, Poem The Wonderful Words. Solution. We'll see the solution and the question answers. The Wonderful Words Summary. Every mind has thoughts. People are constantly trying to translate their thoughts into words. The poet wants these attempts to continue. No thought should die for want of proper words. English is a wonderful language, and trying to find suitable words for your thoughts is a wonderful game. New thoughts are always coming. Many beautiful thoughts have not yet found expression. Let everyone try to give his thoughts a body or proper words. Words are the food and dress of thoughts. They supply the thoughts its body and energy to its body and energy. Everyone wants to hear something new and beautiful. The thoughts are imprisoned in our mind. We can liberate them only with the help of suitable words. Who know this may be some splendid and original thought of your mind waiting for proper words. Right? Working with the poem. Now, this is a book exercise. With your partner, complete the following sentence in your own words using the ideas in the poem. Do not let a thought shrivel and die because for want of a way to say it. English is a wonderful game with words that everyone can play. Wonderful game is the answer. One has to match to the brightest thoughts in your head. Words are the dress and food of thought. Second question. In groups of 4, discuss the following lines and their meanings. All that you do is match the words to the brightest thoughts in your head. Answer is, the poet says that you only have to select words to express your thoughts present in your head. For many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. The poet encourages readers to convert their thoughts into words and speak them as these are loveliest things that never yet been said. And everyone's longing today to hear some fresh and beautiful thing. All the people are listening to the same thoughts. Everyone is excited to hear some new thing. So speak your thoughts brilliantly. But only words can free a thought from its prison behind your eyes. You have thoughts in your mind, but it's in prison behind your eyes. You need to free thoughts by giving them words. Thank you, dear.